Now, eighth question. A circle of the radius is 70 centimeter is divided into 5 equal sector. Okay. So, the radius is 70 centimeter. Solution. Given the radius is 70 centimeter. A circle we are going to divide into 5 equal parts, like, no? 5 equal parts. Okay. So, number of parts we can take n. 5. 5 equal parts. Find the area of each of the sector. Each of the sector na one place only we need. Each sector formula we know. Okay. Area of each of the sector is equal to 1 by n into area means what it will come? Pi r squared. Pi r squared. So, see here 1 by n is what? Pi into here pi value it is given not there. So, we can take it as pi only into r squared. R is what? 70 into 70. Now, cancel it. 1, 5 is 5. 1, 5 is 5. Remaining 2. So, 4, 5s are 20. So, we want to multiply the 2. 14 into 7 means what we will get? 0. 4 7s are 28. Remaining 2. 1 7 is 7. 980. The pi will come near. This is the area of the sector. This is what? Square. Unit is what? Centimeter. Okay. So, again I will recall. Listen. Yes. So, again I will recall. Listen everyone. A circle of radius is 70 centimeter. So, this radius is 70 centimeter. It is divided into 5 equal parts. We are going to find the area of each of the sector. In each sector, area is how much, that only we are going to find out. I said before itself, the each sector, we are going to find out for each sector, we have the formula, that only we are going to use now. Okay. So, number of r is equal to given 70 centimeter. N is equal to 5. So, area of each of the sector formula is 1 by n into area. So, pi r squared. You can remember it. Okay. Okay. Length na 2 pi r square. 2 pi r. Okay. So, now you can substitute, cancel it, you will get value. Pi value it's not given in the question. So, you can take it as it is. Okay. Ninth question. A Damu fix a square tiles. The tiles you know. That is a square tiles 30 centimeter. Square means what? All the sides are equal. So, 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Okay. Now, the tile has a sector design on it. So, inside one sector design it is there. Okay. And as shown in the figure, like that it is. So, now I wrote only the values. Find the area of the sector. Pi value is given. Area of the sector it is we want to find out. Okay. First we will write the given side of the square. Square is what? 30 centimeter. See here what shape this is. This is also 30 centimeter. This is also 30 centimeter. So what is it? Is the quadrant. Quadrant na 1/4 of the circle. Okay, so circle now 1/4 is the quadrant. If you are taking now this radius and this radius should be equal. Okay, this is the quadrant. So we can consider in the quadrant. Okay, in the quadrant radius is equal to what? This also radius, this also radius, 30 centimeter. Okay, now when the quadrant is given, what is the area of the sector? We can say area of the sector or area of the quadrant. Both are equal only here. So I am going to find out the area of the quadrant. Area of the quadrant. We know very well area of the quadrant formula is what? 1/4 into pi r squared. So here see 1/4. Pi value is what? 3.14 into r value is what? 30 into 30. Okay. Now I am going to cancel. So I am going to cancel this whole numbers. 2 2s are 4. 15 times. Again 1 2 is 2. 15 times. Next, I am going to multiply 3.14, 15 and 15. 15 into 15, we know very well that is, tell me 15 into 15 is what? Yes, 225. I am going to multiply 314. I said before itself, don't see the point, at last you can give. Now, 5 4s are 20, remaining 2, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, remaining 1, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Next into 1, same number will come. Next, 3 5s are 15, remaining 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 3 2s are 6. Now 0, 5, 16, remaining 1. Okay, so 0, remaining 1, what is it? 7. So, after the point, how many digit? 2 digit. So, I am going to give the dot here. 1, 2 digit. So, 0 it is there, no? It is not valid. Okay. So, what we will get in this? 706.5 square unit is what? Centimeter square unit. Okay. So, this one we can say area of the sector also. This one we can say area of the quadrant or area of the sector. So, now I will write area. According to the question, we can write area of the sector. So, we found this. Okay. Now, I'll tell you, listen. Damu, fix a square tile. Okay. This is a square tile of 30 centimeter. The square tile now what it will be? Square tile now all sides are equal squares. So, 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 30, 30. Okay. Next, the tiles has a sector design in it. So, in the figure it is given. So, it's a sector inside it is there. Find the area of the sector and pi value is given. See here in a circle, the both radius are equal means is the quadrant this side. Isn't it? So this also is the quadrant. Quadrant radius is what? 30 centimeter. So first what we will find? We need only this area only. So better we will find out the area of the quadrant. Area of the quadrant formula is what? 1/4 pi r squared square units. Okay. So 1/4 pi r squared square units. Here we can substitute, then cancel with this 2, then multiply everything together after give the point. Now area of the quadrant and area of the sector both are equal only. Okay. According to this question. So area of the sector for this is 706.5 square centimeter. Now the 10th question. A circle is formed with 8 equal granite stones. Okay, it's a circle, 8 equal granite stones there. Okay, and each of the radius is 56 centimeter. So every radius is 56 centimeter like, okay, whose central angle is 45 degree. Find the area of each of the granite. Pi value is given. So each of the granite means any one part only we are going to find out. Okay, each any one part. So here we can use two formula. One is according to the degree we will area of the sector formula we can use here, or we can number parts is given so we can use that parts each area of the each of the sector, that formula we can use. Okay, first I'll write the given solution. Given the radius is equal to 56 centimeter. Okay, so the equal parts is given. How many parts? 8 equal parts. So n is equal to 8. Okay, equal parts we are taken n. So area of the each of the granite, that only we need. So how to find out now? 1 by n into area means what it will come? Pi r squared. Here only we will get confusion. 2 pi r or pi r squared r. So that time we can see that area na pi r squared only. So here 1 by n is what? 8. Pi value it is given in the question itself, 22 by 7 into what is r value here? 56. 56 into 56. So multiply now. Cancel it. 1 8 is 8. 8 7s are 56. One time, this one time. Now I want to multiply only these two. 56 and 22. So 6 2s are 12. Remaining one 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So again if you multiply, we will get the same number. 2, 3, 2, 1. So what you will get? 1, 2, 3, 2 square area. Okay. Square units. Square. So unit is what? Here centimeter. Okay. So here area of the each of the granite. That's all over. Okay. So one more time I will tell you. One more time I will tell you in the question. See, it's a word problem. While we seeing it's a very big question, but when we are solving, we know this is very simple question. Okay, it's a circle is into 8 equal parts. 8 equal granite we are going to fix. We want only for one granite area only. Okay, so how many equal parts? 8 equal parts. So if it is like that is given, we can use the 1 by n formula. Okay, equal parts is given, we can use 1 by n formula. Angle is given, you can use theta by 360. But someone will ask, miss, here 45 degrees is there. Why we can use theta by 360 degree? Now, why? Yes, you can use that also. Okay. Here y means I will get the easy calculation. That's why I have selected this formula. You can go with that also. You will get same answer. So here radius is given. Number of equal parts is 8. Formula is 1 by n into pi r square square units. Okay. Now 1 by 8 into 22 by 7 into 56 into 56. Cancel it. You will get the area of the single granite. Okay.